Today, in this session, we are going to find the nature of the various substances by the pH paper. Okay guys, are you ready? ठीक है, तो start करते हैं. We have the 4 samples here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I will provide the 4 strips of pH paper to all these students, and let's see how it changes its color. Okay, now 1, 2, take it. बेटा आप यहाँ से ले लो. ये लिटमस पेपर एंड मूव. लिटमस तो नहीं है, चेक कर लेना. हाँ, इट इज लिटमस. ठीक है. ओके, अब अपने को क्या काम करना है? जस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिप इट in the solutions and it will change the color, and after that we will tell the pH or the nature of the substance according to the color. Okay, now starts. Do it. Oh, let's see what has happened. देखो, देखते हैं क्या हुआ है. It is showing some flames here. Put it here. Okay, let's check the color. First of all, in first solution we got a blue color and it is dark blue, it is navy blue. Okay, then what is the nature of this substance? It is the base. It is the base. And it is strong or weak? Strong. Okay, why it is strong? Because its color is dark blue. If it is light blue, then it is a weak base. Okay, that's all. Now let's see the color of the next sample that my brother name Anukal Barghoti did it, and see the color, it's green. If the color is green, then the sample is neutral, and this is neutral. Okay, then next thing, it is red or pink, reddish or pink. You can see that. That means it is acid, and it is a strong acid. Let's see. It's the solution of detergent. Okay, it is the solution of detergent. If you shake it, then there will be the formation of foam. झाग बनेंगे इसके. And the color is, now tell me the nature. Weak base. Ah sir, how can you find out that it is strong or it is weak? Let's compare these two. If I dip it, it will change into dark blue and it is light blue. So you get my point? Okay. Let us meet in the next activity that we are going to conduct in the later sessions. Thank you.